I've made a song as if dead, so that I myself do not know how to say it. For neither night nor day nor evening nor morning do I hold my heart nor any of my thoughts. But the other day as I was in great balance, love took from me such great well-being that I immediately began to make a song of my lady, of whom I remember so much. I remember so much. So why does my lady hold me in such torment, that never did anything please me so much, nor ever could my heart, since the hour I saw her, part from her, nor my love, nor my sense. And if she does me harm, she does great wrong, but if she did me friendship and pity, she could do no greater mercy in the world, since she has reason for her love sustains me. But it does not seem to me at all that she has goodwill for it, and not for that. When she speaks to me, she laughs at me and promises me, but never did any lady lie so gracefully, nor so nobly. But the beautiful words turn to gladness for me, and if she told me the truth with all of France, it would not be so sweet nor so good. But she has neither heart nor will for anything. Never did any man love so madly, not even the squire who died at the table. Thus I die, but more than that, she kills me, she who knows how to do it courteously. For she does not wound me with knife nor with lance, but with beautiful words and with pleasing semblance. These are the arms with which she always fights me since I saw her, and still she holds me so. Since she has beauty that our Lord gave her entirely, for he never parted any of it from her, an entire joy and true and pure sense. All this comes to me, since she does not grant me her love, but from the sea one draws without doubt fresh water. Therefore I have hope that sense and skill, and because I do not give up, will draw joy for me from it. For in nothing else do I take refuge. I take refuge. At least, lady, if you remember the rich man who let Lazarus die before him, what was the reward that followed him for it? Then you will easily take thought how you might draw me from my grievous suffering, for otherwise I cannot have any well-being.